Please welcome one of the baddest rappers in the game, straight out of the Ville, Nashville that is, Dolly Parton.
She the queen of hip-hop, rap, TV, and screen. Oh, she the queen of her own hood, but I'm the queen of Dollywood. Yo, I own my territory. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Now, I don't hip and I don't hop. I black both eyes with this big top. I know the queen has got 'em too, but she don't work 'em like I do. Woo! Look at 'em go! Hey, I'm tweaking! I'm working! I'm twerking! Hey, Molly, I got your wrecking balls right here. Okay, let's get serious again. Short, I know she's tall. Guess you could call us Biggie Small. Our songs are different. Mine's more fun, like coming around the mountain when she comes. Hee-haw! She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Well, they love that song in Pigeon Forge. Are we doing okay? Hey, I know your gang is mean, but let me warn you, queen, don't mess with me, 'cause I'll be right on top of you. I know your boys are rough, but you ain't never seen tough till you mess with the redneck mafia. Don't mess with me and the Duck Dynasty, no sir. We'll be all over you like Duck Dookie on shoes. You may be the queen, but I am the white trash princess.